Hello guys, welcome to my new episode of tutorial videos, and our topic for today is how to replace a fishing reel knob. Okay, so I'm using this Gomexus Power Knob, and there are accessories included, which is the shaft, you have the bearing, and you have the screws and also some washers. Let's begin. By the way, the size of our power knob is 35 mm. And we're going to install it to our fishing reel. The size of the reel is 2000 series and the brand name is Sinite. Let us open the handle and see what's inside. If you check inside, you will not find any screw, so it is very difficult for us to remove the original knob. So now what we're going to do is to either cut the shaft or hammering this part of the shaft. Okay, I have managed to remove the rubber knob from the original handle. So instead of cutting the shaft, my idea is to use a concrete nail and hammer it on this part. Okay, so this will be our first attempt to hammer the shaft. Let's repeat the procedure and continue hammering the shaft. Okay, as you can see, there is already a movement on the shaft, so we just need to continue the procedure. And now we're almost done with the procedure. I'm sure you will be delighted with the result. So we have successfully removed the old shaft from the handle. So now it's time to fit in the shaft to the original handle, but the problem is the hole is too small for the diameter of the shaft. So what we're going to do is to drill and make the hole bigger by using a 5 mm drill bit. Hello guys, welcome back. So we're done with the drilling, and now the next procedure is the installation. Okay, so first install the shaft. Okay, this is the shaft. You have to put the screw. Oops. You have to put the screw and the washer. Okay, washer first, and then screw. Alright. Then tighten. Okay, make sure this shaft is really tight and secured. Alright, perfect. So next step will be the putting the first bearing. But before putting the bearing, we have to put both sides with this grease. Okay, and also there is washer included. So first put the washer, and then the bearing. Alright, next step will be putting the first part of the power knob. After that, put the second bearing, add another extra grease again, both side, insert inside. Okay, alright. So in my case, I'm going to use a spacer, okay, because without this one the knob will be loose. Okay, so now let's put this washer and spacer inside also, and then the screw. Okay, and tighten. Alright, let's tighten it. Okay. All right. Don't tighten too much. Make sure this knob will spin smoothly. Okay, so we have to release a bit more. Okay, that's perfect. And lastly, the second part of the power knob. Alright, guys, we're done with the installation. So I hope you guys learned something on our episode today about the installation of power knob, and I hope to see you in our next tutorial. Goodbye.